Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your current vision and safety. Book an optometrist exam now and record prescription and any retinal notes. Once done, change your environment immediately, reduce glare, set screens 50 to 70 centimeters away, and use proper lighting. Make sure to adopt the 20-20-20 habit. Every 20 minutes look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds and blink fully. Also prioritize hydration and regular sleep. These first steps stabilize symptoms so the rest of the program can work. You now strengthen function with targeted nutrition and training. Consume foods or supplements providing lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamins A, C, and E, plus omega-3. These support retinal health. Once stocked, practice focused eye exercises, near-far focus, saccadic jumps, and slow tracking. Do 15 to 20 minutes twice daily in calm lighting. Meanwhile, reshape habits. Limit continuous screen blocks to 60-90 minutes, add micro breaks, and maintain posture. These actions retrain focusing ability and reduce strain, making measurable improvement more likely over months. You finish by consolidating gains and monitoring closely. Keep a weekly vision log, distance clarity, near comfort, and reading endurance, and adapt your exercises or supplement regimen every 4 to 8 weeks. If you notice sudden flashes, floaters, pain, or rapid loss, seek urgent specialist care immediately. If progress stalls after consistent effort, troubleshoot. Confirm adherence, improve sleep, check blood sugar and blood pressure, and request a formal vision therapy referral. This final review prevents setbacks and directs you to the next.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.